Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about differences between concealed wiring and open wiring. So let's start. Concept. The meaning of concealed is hidden. In this type of wiring, at the time of building construction, PVC or metallic pipes are inserted in slabs, walls and floors for electrical wiring. On the other hand, the meaning of open is exposed. In this type of wiring, electrical wires are placed in surface mounted conduits and raceways. These conduits are visible and they are not hidden inside the walls. Aesthetics. Concealed conduit electrical wiring is the most popular, aesthetically beautiful and stronger. The surface looks neat and clean, and this surface can be used for further decoration. Whereas open wiring system does not give aesthetically good look. In this type of wiring, aesthetic look of wall can be maintained by covering it with decorative and protective materials which may add to the cost. Installation. Concealed wiring is challenging to work as compared to open wiring. In case of concealed wiring, channels or chassis required to be made in the wall, hence it requires more time. Whereas in case of open wiring, installation of wiring is easy as compared to concealed wiring. And also in case of open wiring, no channels or chassis are required in wall, so it requires less time. Safety and durability. Concealed wiring system is safe and durable, whereas open wiring system is not that safe and durable as compared to concealed wiring. Fault detection. In case of concealed wiring, all the wires are in closed electrical conduit. Therefore, fault cannot be found and fixed quickly and easily. Whereas in case of open wiring, all the cables are in open air. Therefore, fault can be easily detected and can be fixed quickly. Addition. In case of concealed wiring, it is very complex and difficult to provide any additional connection in future. For additional connections, you need help of experts. Whereas in case of open wiring, it is easy to provide additional connections in future. Popularity. Concealed wiring is most reliable and popular wiring system nowadays, whereas open wiring system is rarely used. Risk of fire. In case of concealed wiring, there is no risk of fire or mechanical wear and tear. Whereas in case of open wiring, there is more risk of fire due to short circuit and mechanical wear and tear. Changing location of switches. In case of concealed wiring, changing location of switches is quite difficult. Whereas in case of open wiring, changing location of switches is quite easy. Weather conditions. In case of concealed wiring, weather conditions like rain, steam, humidity, chemical and smoke, etc. cannot affect easily or affect slowly. Whereas in case of open wiring, the weather conditions such as rain, oil, vapor, steam, humidity, chemical and smoke can easily and quickly affect as compared to concealed wiring. Electrical shock. In concealed wiring, there is no risk of electrical shock to users from cable. Whereas in case of open wiring, the chance of electrical shock is more to users. Leakage of water and cracks. For concealed wiring, walls are cut and chassis are made which makes the walls weak or poor. So the chances of leakage of water and cracks in walls also increases. Whereas in case of open wiring, there is no need of any chasing work. So chances of leakage of water and cracks are not there. Replacement and reuse of materials. In case of concealed wiring, the whole wiring system cannot be replaced in short period of time, and material of wiring cannot be reused at another place. Whereas in case of open wiring, the whole wiring system can be replaced in short period of time and material of wiring can be reused at another place. Repair. Repair work of concealed wiring system is very difficult, whereas repair work of open wiring system is very easy as compared to concealed wiring system. Life. The life of concealed wiring is long as compared to open wiring, whereas the life of open wiring is short as compared to concealed wiring. Cost. Concealed wiring is expensive as compared to open wiring system, whereas open wiring system is less expensive as compared to concealed wiring system. So friends, I think this video will help you to choose between concealed wiring and open wiring. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.